the Euclidean algorithm. So this is the theorem, and it contained, yes, A is equal to R0, A is equal to R0 and B equal to R1 be the positive integers. If the division algorithm is successfully applied to the obtained, Ri is equal to Ri plus 1 into Qi plus 1 with the condition 0 less than or equal to Ri plus 2 less than Ri plus 1. So if I equal to 0, 1, 2, that is up to n minus 1, and R suffix n plus 1 is equal to 0, then A of B equal to the last non-zero remainder, means that is Rn. Yes, A of B is equal to Rn. Rn is the last non-zero remainder. So we have to see the examples. We have to find 5, 3, 2, 5 and 49, 492. So in these cases, solution 5, 3, 2, 5 is equal to 4, 9, 20 plus 405, that is equal to 492 into 10 plus 405. This is 492 into 10 means this is 4920 plus 405. So then this is 5325. 492 is equal to 405 plus 87. Then 492 is equal to 405 into 1 plus 87. That is again 405 is equal to 3,348 plus 57. Then 405 is equal to 87 into 4 means 348, means 348 plus 57. (87) into this is equal to 57 into 1 plus 30. Then 57 is equal to 30 into 1 1 plus 27. Then 30 is equal to 27 into 1 plus 3. Then 27 is equal to 3 into 9 plus 0. Here we have, yes, 5325 492 is 3. So how it comes? Yes, in this manner we have to solve this. Alright, here we have This result is nothing but the addition of these two. Addition of these two. So again 5920, this into this, that is equal to 5920 plus 405. So 492, we taken this 490, this is 405 plus 87. This is the result of 492. 492 again we have to multiply by 1 plus 87. Again 405, that is equal to 3083, that is equal to 348 plus 57. Here we have 405, that is 87. Yes, 405. It is up to this. Then 87 into 87 is equal to 57 into 1 plus 30. 57 is 30 into 1 plus 27. This is the addition of this. Then again taken 30. 30 is 27 plus 3. Then 27. 9 3s are 27. So we have remained here 3. So 5325 492 is 3. In this manner we have to just to solve. Again, example, find the GCD of 275 and 200 and express it in the form in the form 275x plus 200y. So similarly we have to take the solution for this. Again, by Euclidean algorithm, we have 275 is 200 into 1 plus 75. This 200, we have to take this here, is equal to 75 into 2, that is 150 plus 150, that is 150 plus 50, that is 200. 75 is taken 50 into 1 plus 25. 50 is noted, yes, 25 into 2 plus 0. So this D is equal to 25. Rewriting the above equations, that is A is equal to B plus R2, where A is equal to 275 and B is equal to 200. So B is equal to then 2R2 plus R3. R2 is equal to R3 plus R4, that is D. then we have to obtain D is equal to XA plus YB, where X equal to 3 and Y is equal to -4. So in this way we have to do the other calculation, other combination or D is equal to 3 plus 200 A plus -4 minus 275 into B. This is equal to 203 A minus 1100 B, and here D is equal to 3 minus 200 into A plus 4, here this is equal to -4 plus 275 into B. That will be, this is equal to 197A plus 271B. So this is the result. This is called the result. In this manner, we have to just to go and solve this. We have to find the value of D. So this is the algorithm, that is the Euclidean algorithm. So how we have to go and solve this for particular problem, that we have to look into this. Theorem: any common divisor of A and B is divisor of AB. Yes, or this C by A and C by B, it explain, it projected this C by A and B. So this is the proof for this. Let C by A and C by B, yes, A is equal to MC and B is equal to NC for some M and N belongs to I. Now by the division algorithm, yes, A is equal to BQ1 plus R2. Here 0 less than or equal to R2 less than B. It means A is equal to R0 and B is equal to R1. So it means, it implies that R2 is equal to A minus BQ1. This is equal to MC minus NCQ1. This is C is common from this. So there remain 1 minus NQ1. That is CR2. where m minus n q1 belongs to I. So continuing this process, so you will get continuing this process, we obtain C divides R3 C divides Rn, that is again C divides AB as we know R suffix n is equal to AB. This is AB. So in this manner we have to just to find out the values. Okay. So for this example, yes, 2 by 6 and 2 by 14, it implies that two by 6 and 14. This is the result. Again in the theorem, A B plus K A is the order pair B A B. Then yes, example for this 8 24 plus 5 into 8, that is equal to 8 into 24, that is equal to 8. Okay. Again theorem, if C greater than 0, then AC and BC, here we have common C. So in this manner, so example for this theorem, so minus 12 and 6, that is equal to minus 3 and 4. Yes, minus 12 minus 16, minus 12 and 16 is equal to, dividing by 4, 4 3s are minus 12, 4 4 are 16. So this is 4 common, it means 1 into 4, that is equal to 4. Okay. Theorem, if AB is 1, then AC and B, here CB, so example for this, minus 20 and 84, we have the result minus 20 and 4. This is equal to 4. So as we have taken minus 20, 21 is 1. So likewise the examples. Now the least common multiple. Least common multiple. So given integer, not all 0, there is associated an unique integer called the GCD of these numbers. There is another concept parallel to this GCD. So the least common multiple of 2 or more integers which are all different from 0. So here the definition, let A and B be two non-zero integers and integer C is called the common multiple. Common multiple of A and B. A and B. If A by C and B by C. So we have to look into the definition, how it projected definition. The least common multiple LCM of two non-zero integers A and B is positive integer. That is M, such that we have number 1 A by M and B by M. Okay. And number 2, for C greater than 0, A by C and B by C yes, it implies that M less than or equal to C. So this is, we have to see the definition. Some properties of LCM. So the theorem is given: a common multiple of any two, a common multiple of 2 of any two non-zero integers a and b is a multiple of the LCM, that is close bracket AB, or if C is any common multiple of A and B, then we have to write, so here this AB divides C. So this is the illustration for this, or the example for 48 is the common multiple of 6 and 8, and M can be written as 6 8, it is 24. That explain 24 by 48. Okay, so in this manner we have to see the theorem. We look into the theorem and the examples taken. Relation between GCD and LCM. So for positive integers A and B, here both the two brackets are given, the resulted, this is AB. Now the theorem. A necessary sufficient condition for this AB is equal to AB is equal to 1. So then theorem. If C is greater than 0, then CA, CB equal to, C is common among them, AB. So in this manner, we have to seen the relation between GCD and LCM. We have seen GCD, LCM. So LCM of more than two integers. Suppose consider the integers a1, a2 up to an and all that is non-zero, but a suffix I upon c, if I equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, that is up to n, then the c is called the common multiple of these integers. The list of the positive common multiple is called the least common multiple and denoted by close bracket a1, a2, a2, a3, that is up to an. So here theorem, if a, b, c, these are all positive, integers, then into close bracket ABC, this is equal to close bracket ABC, that is equal to again A, making it separate out, this result we have then. So we have again here the triple positive integer. Suppose we have given ABC satisfying some conditions, so we will have the result. Example, find all the triples, of positive integers A, B, C satisfying A, B, C is equal to 10 and A, B, C is 100 simultaneously. So solution for this, let A, B, C is 10 and A, B, C is equal to 100. Now A, B, C is 10, then 10 divided by A, 10 divided by B, 10 divided by C. This can be projected. A is equal to 10L, B is equal to 10M and C is equal to 10N for some integers L, M and N. So this is equal to just 10L, 10M, 10N is equal to 10 and 10L, 10M, 10N, this is equal to 100. So in this panel L, M, N is equal to, this is 1 divided by 10. So and L, M divided by 10, this is equal to 10. So this is L, M and N is equal to 1, 2, 5, 10. Yes, of course, only the positive values are considered. only the positive values. Considered. So here we can write there are 24 triplets of LMN satisfying all these two. Hence there will be the 24 triplets ABC. We will take here. There are 24 triplets of MN of LMN satisfying LMN equal to 1 and LMN equal to 10. Hence there will be 24 triplets of ABC 10, 20, 50 and 100 satisfying the given equation. Some of them are as follows, that is 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 50, 20, 50, 10. Then 50, 10 and 20. 10, 20, 10, 50 and 20. 50, 10, 20, 10, 50. Then 10, 20, 100. 20, 100, 10, 100, 10, 20, 20, 10, 100, 10, 120 and 100, 20 and 10. So all these are triplets of LMN satisfying both these two. Both this satisfying both these two means satisfying this equation. So here we are, the topic is completed, unit number 1, and we will start unit 2. We will start unit 2. Unit 2 is prime numbers. Unit 2 is unit number 2, that is prime numbers. Unit number 2. Something